VVPAT, case of uncut or no printing of paper slip. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of VCI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to explain the process to be followed in case of uncut or no printing of paper slip. In some case, it may happen that an elector has pressed the ballot button of the ballot unit, but the paper slip of VVPAT has not been cut or printed. Then in such a case, the process mentioned in the next slides shall be done. The photograph regarding the case of uncut of paper slip or no printing of paper slip is shown on the screen. If the VVPAT has not printed the paper slip or the printed paper slip remains uncut, then do not try to remove or cut the hanging slip from the paper roll. No effort should be made to make it fall into the drop box. It should be allowed to remain hanging. The vote has not been recorded in the control unit, and as it is not to be counted at the time of counting of the printed paper slips. The details of such an occurrence should be recorded in the presiding officer's diary in the following format: the date and time of the occurrence, the name of the elector and his serial number in the part number of the electoral roll who was allowed to cast his vote after replacement of the VVPAT. Whether the elector casted the vote after replacement of the VVPAT or went away without casting the vote. The total number of votes casted before the occurrence. The last voter will be allowed to cast the vote after the replacement of VVPAT. The part 5th of the presiding officer's poll day report shall be filled along with the error code, that is 2.6 cut error or 2.7 fall error, etc. In this educational video, we have learned about what to do in case of uncut or no printing of paper slips. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.